So any day, man. And that's the Pohi. Hi, Pohi is looking for me. Bye. Going down. Do you see it? Did anybody research why the ocean looks the way it looks? Look at the clouds. Yes. Wow. What does that make you feel like singing? A lot of things are coming into my mind to sing. A lot of old nursery songs. And there are lots about the spiritual choruses as well. Let me try a few nursery songs from singing with children. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, please, Mr. Sun, won't you come out today? Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, all the children want to play. Please, that's one. But I like the gospel when I say, it is raining all around me. It's raining, it's raining.